This is Freeman and this video is sponsored by Compromise.in. Quench your need for computer hardware at www.compromise.in and build your own gaming PC today. Free shipping all over India. There are not much membrane keyboards out there which has almost everything and is a complete package. Today we are going to look at Thermaltake's Challenger Edge Pro RGB keyboard. Of course, it has to be RGB these days. ttesports is committed to bringing the most personalized and the highest quality gear for you. In this crowded membrane keyboard market, Thermaltake stands out with this product. So what's so unique about this one then? I would say the plunger switches. They have the touch and feel of the mechanical switches with a unique tactile feedback unlike any other membrane keyboard I have used before. It's such a joy typing on this keyboard. Let's hear how the key sounds like. At this price bracket, the look and feel of the keys has really taken me by surprise. If you are on a budget and want that mechanical keyboard feel, then for 4,000 rupees, this is the only keyboard you need. With the box, you get a warranty card and a quick start installation guide. It has this floating keycap construction with a plastic base and a robust aluminum plate at the top. The middle is a transparent plastic body through which the LEDs shine, giving it a unique RGB strip wraparound look. The most important thing is that you can use any Cherry MX custom keycap on this keyboard. Yes, that's right. You don't have to buy a costly mechanical keyboard to customize your keycap. Let me explain. This is a plunger keycap and this is a normal Cherry MX keycap. Both have the same stem. You can get any custom keycap set from the market and customize your keyboard, which means you can do this. The default keycaps are made of ABS plastic with a soft touch matte texture and the engraving on them is of good quality. At the top, there are dedicated shortcuts for my computer, calculator, media player, etc. Media buttons followed by dedicated RGB buttons which allows you to browse through the entire color spectrum, a dedicated mute switch and a volume scroll wheel. At the bottom, there are 4 anti-skid pads with 2 single-stage elevators at the top. Plastic wrist rest is included in the package, which attaches like so. This keyboard comes with a 16.8 million color illumination with Perky Backlighting. That means every key can be customized to have its own color. The colors are very accurate though. A 19 key anti-ghosting with a 6 key rollover, which is pretty impressive. It has 13 lighting effects built in which you can switch between using the shortcut keys or using the software. Now this is the ttesports software with which you control the lighting, assign specific function to the keys and also create macros. It's pretty easy. So, in my opinion, this Memchanical keyboard is a must-have and gives you the best of both worlds at a reasonable price point. Do let me know if you have any questions, thumbs up if you like it and get subscribed. I will see you in the next one.